Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I hope everything went well for you. Hope you ate lots of food, and I am excited to jump back into our math lessons. So, if you were watching this and this isn't right after Thanksgiving, well, the first time that we did this book, it was right after Thanksgiving. So, we are on lesson 22, and this is in Horizon 2. Book 1, right? It's the blue book, and we're on page 47. And this is kind of review still. We did this multiple times, and so you might feel like this is easy. You might be a little rusty if you haven't done it lately. So let's just talk about what this looks like. So in our first column right here, it says add, right? So we're adding, and we always start with our ones, which is the 9 and the 8, right? So we're going to add 9 plus 8. Well, we know 8 plus 8 is 16. So one more is 17, right? But we can't write 17 here because 17 has two digits. It has a 1 and then it has a 7, right? So what we have to do is we have to write the 1 digit, which is the 7, and we have to carry the 1. You guys remember this? We have to carry the 1, right? Because that's the number, 17. Now we have to add all of our 10s. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we do this one. We add our ones digit first, which is the 6 and the 8, right? If they're on top of each other. 6 plus 8. Well, I know 6 plus 6 is 12, and 8 is 2 more. So 8, 12, 13, 14. But I can't write 14. I can't write 14 like this because that takes up my tens column, right? I can't do that. So instead, I write my 4 here, and I carry my 1. So that way I can add all of my 10s together, right? So these are all my 10s digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 10s there. Okay, so the next one, I'm going to go my ones digit, which is 9 and 2. So I count on, I catch 9 because it's the bigger number. Catch 9, then add 2 more. 9, 10, 11. All right, well, the number 11 has a 1 in the ones column and a 1 in the tens column. Now I can add all my tens together. 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 more is 9. Those are my tens. That is an ugly 9. Let's try that again. That is even uglier. Oh my goodness. Well, there we go. Okay. So you try to do this one, and I'll do it too, and see if you get it right. Okay, did you get 83? If so, good job. Keep going. If not, try to figure out where you made your mistake or ask mom for help. Okay, how about the next one? 9 plus 8. I know 8 plus 8 is 16, and 1 more is 17. I add all my 10s together. Did you get it? Keep going. 5 plus 5 is 10. This is 5 plus 6, that's 1 more. And then 2, 3, 4. You got them? How you doing? Okay, now we're here. 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 plus 7 is 14. So I write my 4, I carry my 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so did you get these? How did that feel? What we're going to do is we are not going to do this middle row right here. Okay, we're going to jump right here. So you can put a piece of paper over that middle row. You can put your ruler over the middle row. But we're going to jump down, and I want you to try this row by yourself, okay? So don't worry about the middle row. Come down here and do this row by yourself. So push pause and do this row. Okay. Okay. So if you are back with me, you should have all of those addition problems done. If you're not done with them, I want you to push pause and come back when you're done. Okay. And if you're back with me and you're ready to keep going, we're going to move down to the clocks in just a second. But what I want to do first is, if you're done, I'm going to show you this row of what the answer should look like so you can check your work. If you got something wrong, I want you to ask Mom to help figure out how you got it wrong, okay? Don't just keep moving on. So check your answers. Did you get 70 here? Did you remember to carry that 1? Did you get 53 here? How about 56? Did you get 56 and remember to carry that 1? If not, I want you to push pause and ask for help, okay? And if so, and you can check all your answers and you're ready, then let's move on to our clocks down here. Match the clock to its time. Okay, so let's look at this one. Remember, if it's pointing to the 12, it's an o'clock. But when it's pointing to the 6, it's a 30, right? Because we counted by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, we look at our hour hand. That's the short one that doesn't touch the numbers yet, right? And this hour hand is at the 1, but it's not quite to the 2 yet. Still 1, right? You're not 2 until you're 2, until your birthday. So it's not at the 2 until this mini hand gets all the way back up to the top. So it's at the 1 and it's a 30. So we're going to find the one that's 130 right here, okay? Now this one, it's at the 30. These are all 30s, right? They all point to the 6. So the hour hand here didn't get to the 12 yet. It's still at the 11. So it goes to the 11. Now this hour hand, it's kind of hard to see, but it's the one that doesn't go to the number. It's not the one pointing to the 6. It's the one that hasn't made it there yet. It's still at the 5. So it goes up here. Oops, that's a bad line. So it's up here. Okay? And then this one, well, there's only one number left, but let's look at it. The hour hand, still at the 3. It hasn't made it to the 4 yet. All right. Now I want you guys to do this one by yourself. Push pause and then come back when you're ready to turn the page. Okay. So we are practicing lots of addition today. Okay. But today we're only going to do the purple squares. All right. We're only going to do the purple squares. I'm going to cross off this one. And I'm going to cross off this one. Cross off this one. And today's a purple day. We're just going to do the purple squares, right? Okay, so at this top one, it says write the number that is 6 more. So you're going to take the number 48 and you're going to add 6. So 48, add 6 more, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So you're going to write the number 54 on the line. Okay. Now we're at 60 and we're going to add 6 more. So we're at 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay. Now here we are at 24. We're going to add 6 more. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, go ahead and do this purple square by yourself. It's the same thing. We're just adding 6 more. And then down here, we're going to take 6 away. Okay, so you're going to do this one is add. More means add. Less means take away. Okay, so go ahead and do the rest of your purple squares and come back when you're ready for number 5. Okay, so if you're back with me, you're ready for down here. You did all the purple squares. That's all done. And you're down here with write the numbers. If you're not done with your purple squares, push pause, come back when you're ready. All right, down here, write the numbers. Now, this is one of those times you got to remember how to read these numbers, right? So we're going to look at the first part of the word. We can read 4, and then the second part of the word says teen, 14. So that means you're going to write the number 14 on the line. Okay, so we've practiced this a few times. I want you guys to do this by yourself. So this isn't a time that you have someone read you this. You're reading these words by yourself, okay? So go ahead and try and come back when you're ready. So push pause, fill in your numbers, and come back when you're ready to do some subtraction with me, okay? Don't forget to push pause. You don't want to accidentally move on. All right, if you're back, you pushed pause, you got all your numbers filled in. You're down here at subtraction. And we're going to do this. I know I'm making your page a little easier today, huh? But we're not going to do this bottom row. We're going to do the top row. Okay, and all you're going to do is subtract. So you are subtracting the ones digits first. So that's the 6 minus 3. 6, take away 3. Of 6, take away 3. You have 3 left, right? And then you have 1, and you take away 1, you have 0 left. And then 5, and you take away 1, you have 4. Right? So that's how you do it. Remember to start at the ones column. Okay? So go ahead and do these. 7, take away 6. Ooh, that almost took them all away, but you got 1 left. And then 4, take away 4, you got 0. And then 9, you take away 6. 9, take away 6. You have 3 left. Okay? So go ahead and finish this row and come back when you're ready for this story problem. Remember to start at the ones column. Always start at the ones column. Don't forget to push pause. Okay, if you're back with me, you're ready for this one. Jimmy practiced his trumpet for 45 minutes on Tuesday and 30 minutes on Thursday. How many minutes did he practice his trumpet all together? All together means add. Okay, so 45 is our first number. And our second number is 30. And you add them together. 5 plus 0. Here, and then 7. 4 plus 3. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Through 4 plus 3 is 7. So 75, and what was the word? Minutes. You got to label your answer, otherwise they might think you're talking about elephants. Minutes. Okay? All right, I'll see you guys next time. Remember to get these pages done.